let's see who can be the loudest. And if you feel like it, you can stand up and be crazy with it, okay? Here we go. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, terrific job, everybody. You're all awesome. Now it's time for some birthday star wishes. You may want to have those cameras ready. All right, you party hosts, help me out here, and let's get those candles lit. And now be careful, you don't want to burn yourself there. You kids ready? I can't hear you.
Where's Brady at?
Are you ready to make a birthday wish? Very good. All right, then. We're going to sing happy birthday to you, and then you can blow out your candles. Okay, you birthday stars, this is for you. Let's all sing it nice and loud. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. And that's it. Happy birthday to you. Okay, if you're a birthday star, I want you to do me a favor. Before we dig into some birthday cake, I need you to stand up where you are so we can honor you. And that's right, come on, stand up.
Look at Brady.
How about some applause here, folks? Come on.
Oh my God.
Now your party host has something special for you. This is your official, limited edition birthday star medallion. Yeah, wear it with pride. These are just for our special birthday
Tell Brady to come back.
And thanks for celebrating your birthday here at Chuck E. Cheese's. You rock! Let's award those medallions. You look awesome. You just wanted to go with
Man, that's enough.
Look at this. You're all winners. All right, everybody, let's get on our feet now and sing the Birthday Star song together. You know how it goes. I say happy, and you say...